Hello, I'm Sumaina Akhtar. I welcome you to my channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. So, first of all, what is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific field and an academic discipline that has both theoretical and practical application. Linguists study language structure at several theoretical levels that range in size from teeny units of speech sounds to the context of an entire conversation. So, what is linguistics? It is the study of language, how it is put together, and how it functions. Various building blocks of different types and sizes are combined to make a language. Sounds are brought together, and sometimes when this happens, they change their form and do interesting things. Words are arranged in a certain order, and sometimes the beginnings and the endings of the words are changed to adjust the meaning. Then the meaning itself can be affected by the arrangement of words. By the knowledge of speaker about what the hearer will understand. Linguistics is the study of all of this. What is general linguistics? And what is the meaning of linguistics? Linguistics, the study of human speech, including the units, nature, structure, and modification of language. It involves the analysis of language form, language meaning, and language in context. The difference between the definitions of language and linguistics is that language is what we speak in, and linguistics is the science that studies the language. What is linguistics and what is linguistic knowledge? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It deals with a particular body of material, spoken and written language. When you know a language, you can speak and be understood by the others who know that language. You have the capacity to produce sounds that signify certain meanings and to understand or interpret the sounds produced by others. Deaf persons produce and understand sign language just as hearing persons produce and understand spoken language. The nature of human language. Language is not an abstract construction of the learned or of dictionary makers, but it is something arising out of the work, needs, ties, joys, affections, tastes of long generations of humanity, and has its basis broad and low, close to the ground. Knowledge of sound system. Knowing a language means knowing what sounds are in that language and what sounds are not. This unconscious knowledge is revealed by the way speakers of one language pronounce words from another language. For example, if you speak only English, you may substitute an English sound of a non-English sound when pronounce foreign words. Most English speakers pronounce the name batch with the final ka sound because the sound represented by the letter cha in Germany is not an English sound. What is linguistic competence and linguistic performance? Speakers' linguistic knowledge permits them to form longer and longer sentences by joining sentences and phrases together and adding modifiers to a noun. Very long sentences are theoretically possible, but they are highly improbable. It is a difference between what you know, which is your linguistic competence, and how you use this knowledge in actual speech production and comprehension, which is your linguistic performance. Recommended books. Language and Linguistics by Geoffrey Finch. Language, its structure and use by Edward Finnegan. An Introduction to Language by Victoria Fromkin and Robert Rodman. Thank you. Good luck.